If you have a house in Willoughby, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Willoughby, Ohio, and I'm going to explain to you in this quick video why so many sellers in Willoughby prefer to sell to us instead of working with a traditional buyer who needs to qualify for a mortgage loan or might have a real estate agent, because with us, we're going to keep it simple. There's no mortgage approvals needed, and there's no middleman, there's no commissions or fees, but we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. So that's convenient for you because there's no money out of your pocket whatsoever, no hiring a handyman, no fixing anything, no cleaning out the garage, no mowing the grass. There's nothing for you to do, and you can take with you anything out of the house. There's no hauling anything away either. So anything that you don't want or don't need, you can simply leave inside the house. We'll take care of it for you. And what allows us to buy these houses in their true as-is condition is we don't need to rely on a third-party mortgage or a loan to approve this transaction. We're a cash buyer, so we can buy the house in its as-is condition. When it comes to a traditional buyer, if they're using a mortgage, well, that's a bank. At the end of the day, they're going to send through this inspector. It's a very thorough inspection. They're going to test every outlet, every light switch, every light bulb, open and close all the doors, and they're going to compile pages and pages and pages of things that are wrong with the house. And unfortunately, this could only be used against you to try to get extensions, to try to get credits, and try to get discounts. And then if you survive this thorough inspection, which is completely unnecessary when you're selling to us, but if you survive their thorough inspection, now it gets worse because they got to send the appraiser through. Oftentimes the appraiser works directly for the bank. We all know the bank has their own best interests in mind, and they're going to find everything they can do to create delays or maybe just pull the rug out from under this thing, cancel everything on you, send you back to square one, which is a complete waste of your time. And in real estate, you're not just wasting time, you're wasting money, because every day that goes by where you have not closed on your house in Willoughby, it's costing you money in utilities, insurance, property taxes, opportunity cost. So with us, we're a direct as-is cash buyer. We're not going to waste your time, and we don't need any third-party approvals. So if you got a house in Willoughby and you're looking for a fair cash offer, or if you just want to see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name. We were founded in Columbus, but we're very familiar with working with sellers in Willoughby, Ohio. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about your closing timeline. And we could accommodate your needs. If you want to close quickly, we absolutely could move quickly. If you need more of an extension, or if you need something more flexible, we could accommodate those needs as well. And when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. Again, it's just, there's no pressure. This isn't sales. This isn't, a tactic here. We're not going to try to pull any gimmicks. This is not a call center. We're real people, and we're local, and we're going to treat you like a neighbor. This isn't some call center that's located in some foreign, distant land who has no clue about Willoughby, Ohio. They've never been there. They can't even say the name correctly. They mess up the address. Be careful. Those are the ones who are sending out the blast text messages, and they're sending out the cold calls, and that is a huge waste of your time. Please be very careful of that stuff. Work with locals. We're going to treat you fairly. So if you have a house in Willoughby and you want a fair cash offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.